Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to break down one of the most misunderstood questions in AI. How does a large language model actually generate a sentence? No, it's not searching the internet. No, it's not copying pasting from its trained data. And no, it's not using some secret database of answers. The real process is way cooler and way more mathematical. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Your question becomes tokens. When you ask something like, how do large language models work? The model doesn't read it as a full sentence. Instead, it breaks down into tokens. What is tokens? It's tiny pieces of text. This could be whole words, parts of words, or even punctuation. Everything the model does is based on these tokens. Step 2. The model analyzes all tokens use attention. Now the tokens go through the model's core engine, the transformer and its attention mechanism. Attention doesn't mean memory. It means which tokens should I pay more attention to. The model uses the weight it learned during training to calculate the relationship between tokens, not by looking at the training data, but by using its internal math. Step 3. It predicts the next token. Here is the key idea. A language model generates text one token at a time. It takes all the tokens you give it and asks itself, what is the most likely next token? It produces a huge probability list, like here. The 32% is 13% and thousands more probability. Then it picks the most likely token, or a slightly random one if you use temperature or top P. Let's say it picks this one. Now it feeds the talk back in. This is where it gets really interesting. After generating the first token, the model does this. Import equal your original question, plus the token it just generated. So now the model says, how do large language models work? Then it calculates the next token. Maybe answer, process, or reason. Again, it picks the most likely one. Let's say it picks answers. Now its input becomes how do large language models work the answer. This loop continues token by token. First, take all previous tokens. Second, predicts the next one. Next, add it to the sequence. Finally, repeat. This is called autographic generation. It's how GPT, Queen, Claude, and almost every major model works. The final answer you see, even if it's a whole paragraph, is really just a chain of many tiny token predictions. What the model doesn't do. Let's clear up a common misconception. A language model doesn't not look up sentences in its training data, search the internet, stitch together stored answers. Instead, it uses learned probabilities from billions of training examples to estimate what token makes the most sense next. Every answer is newly generated, not retrieved. Summary. Here is the entire process in one sentence. A large language model analyzes your input tokens, use attention to understand the relationships, and then predicts the next most likely token over and over until a full answer appears. It's like auto-completed, but on a massive intelligence scale. If you found this explanation helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know what AI topic you want next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.